does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address the common issue of the Dyson HS01 hairdryer turning off when the cable is moved. This problem often indicates a fault in the cable or internal connections. Let's get started with the necessary tools and steps to resolve this issue. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for testing continuity. Ensure you have a clean workspace and wear safety gloves to protect your hands. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the hairdryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the handle. If you notice any frayed wires or loose connections, this could be the source of the problem. Now, let's inspect the cable. Look for any visible damage along its length. If you find any cuts or wear, this could be causing the hairdryer to turn off. If the cable appears intact, use your multimeter to check for continuity. Set the multimeter to the continuity setting and test both ends of the cable. If there is no continuity, the cable may need replacing. If you're unsure about handling the repairs yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the issue and provide you with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Next, if you've identified that the cable is faulty, you will need to replace it. Carefully disconnect the old cable from the internal connections. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this with the new cable. If you're not comfortable with this step, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your hairdryer repaired without any hassle. Once the new cable is in place, reassemble the handle by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. Before testing the hairdryer, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the area. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson HS01. Now, plug the hairdryer back in and test it. Move the cable gently to see if it still turns off. If it operates smoothly without interruption, you've successfully repaired your Dyson HS01. If the problem persists, it may be more complex than a simple cable issue. In that case, we recommend getting a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Our team is here to help you every step of the way, ensuring you have a fully functional hairdryer once again. Thank you for following this guide. We hope it has been helpful in resolving your Dyson HS01 issues. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.